Hey, what up you guys? So today I have another entry and this one's for Steffany Crafts.
Hi. Hi guys.
So my son really wants to help me open up this box. Thank you, Steffany, for entering. Guys, check out her channel. She's an awesome crafter and she does hauls and all of that. She even shares her beautiful craft room, so check her out and let her know I sent you. Miguel, you can open it. Nice. Oh, yes. Okay. Let's see. So it looks like she numbered everything. How cute is that? Look at that sticker.
Yes, one.
Yes, number 1. Good job. Look at that card she made.
Oh, it's so cute.
Alright, I'm gonna read the card real quick. So she layered up some, like a circle and a heart.
Guys.
And this beautiful sticker. I purchased these, I believe, from Michael's. Look at this, it's so cute. Thank you.
Thanks.
Go ahead, baby. You want to pull it out?
Yep.
No, not the sticker. Pull this out. Ooh, she packaged it super nice. Okay, you want to pull this out too?
Yep.
That says number 3. Oh my goodness, this box is super cute. Definitely gonna reuse that. Thank you.
Thanks.
So cool how she numbered everything. I absolutely love that idea. I really love the stickers she used. The packaging is just beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna push this to the side. We're gonna push this one to the side and we're gonna open number 2. I'm definitely going to be using all of this, especially the number 2.
I touched it, feel it.
You want me to touch it and feel it? Oh, it's a cute little pom-pom.
It's golden and white.
So I believe this is called a pizza box.
Yeah, pizza box.
She decorated it super cute with this beautiful bow, cluster of I was gonna say butterflies. No, this is butterflies. Flowers. And what is that, Miguel? Good job. And these beautiful enamel dots, they're really pretty. And it says happy birthday. Look at this cute little box.
Happy birthdays.
And then on this side, she added some ribbon.
Whoa, ribbons.
And a cute little heart. So let's open it up. Oh my goodness. Another butterfly.
And to the...
Oh, how adorable is this? Guys, look at her entry. Look how gorgeous this is. She added the white butterflies with the rosettes. It says enjoy.
Joy.
Birthday girl. Cheers.
Birthday girl.
Oh my goodness. She even added what age I'm turning. And look at
like each is turning.
I'm turning 33.
33?
33.
2.
No, 33.
Yeah.
I'm 32 right now. And then she added some of these really pretty yellow enamel dots. I really, really like that. And it says happy day with this delicious champagne of glitterness. I absolutely love it. So on YouTube and Instagram, she is Steffany Crafts. I'm gonna leave everything down below. Her favorite colors are pink, gold, bright green, white, and black. Her favorites are Ariel. Guys, she has an Ariel cart. Oh my gosh, you know the Raz cart or the Michaels cart? That is all Ariel. You guys gotta check it out. I'm actually leave that link down below. Jack Daniels, black, and Nicky Jam. Now she and I love black. We can wear black all the time. So thank you so much. And look at the little birdie, and it has happy little celebration. This is so cute. She added this beautiful crinkle that I will be reusing. This video is going to be super long because of my son. Absolutely love this box, guys. She has made some in the past. This here are sequins. She loves sequins just as much as I love sequins. The color that she put inside are beautiful. It's white, yellow, different shades of yellow, and purple, and clear. Oh my gosh. And little gift boxes and party hats. Love this packaging. And she sent a lot. Oh, even flowers. A butterfly. Look at that butterfly.
Where is he?
Right there. Super cute. Thank you so much, girlie. Okay, the next one we're gonna open is number 3. Guys, look at this tissue paper. It has gold stars on it. How beautiful is that? What is that? So this is a piñata, and it's a unicorn piñata.
You
card, you guys. She's so funny. She wrote P.S.
Oh,
Rompa la piñata, meaning break the piñata, but I don't want to. Do I have to?
yeah, you do.
Guys, I think she put stuff in here, and I think I have to break it open. How am I supposed to open this?
No, you hit it like this.
I hit it.
No, like this.
I don't want to ruin it.
Not like this.
Oh my gosh, I really don't want to ruin it. It's so cute. And where did you get this from, Steffany? She's a fellow New Yorker, you guys. She's my neighbor. All right, I'm gonna try to get into whatever's in here. I'm not gonna break it. I have to save this. Okay. Oh, she added sequins.
Oh my gosh, more. Oh wait, one more thing, or two more things. Oh, she put a lot in here. Pretty. You got a lot of them.
Guys, I was able to save it. I just opened up the flap here where she inserted everything. And I'm sorry, Steffany, but I couldn't just bust open into it. I really couldn't because this is too cute. Look at this beautiful gold little dots of sequins.
These and the big ones.
And then we have pink ones.
And whites.
Show them. And white. Gold. And this one here, it says happy birthday. These are nice.
And then look at the colors.
And then the mixed color ones. Wow, that's pretty. Ooh, that's very,
And
very
flowers.
pretty. No, this one is butterflies. Thank you so
It's
much
so
for sharing.
pretty.
Thank you so much for these. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. You must have a gorgeous collection of sequins.
For the big one.
Oh my gosh, that is cute. She is so adorable. Thank you so much, Steffany, for participating in my birthday challenge. Her and I actually have a swap, and I'm super excited about it, but I really need to get crafting because it's a Easter spring swap. Yes. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely beautiful. I love everything you have created. This was very unique, and I hope you're okay with me taking it out versus smashing it because this was too cute, and I just couldn't. I might actually reuse this for a unicorn swap that I have. Well, not really a swap, a friend mail unicorn thing that I have started on working on a few months ago, but I haven't finished it yet, and I think I'm gonna do the same idea. Let me know where you got these from so maybe I can purchase them. Maybe you order them online or something. Thank you so much, Steffany. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. Stay tuned because my mom went to the P.O. box and she picked up a massive amount of entries. So wish me luck. I'm gonna have to edit my butt off. I will check you guys on my next entry. Bye.